Good morning and happy Friday. I'm here today to go over your assignment for today, and it's going to be basically a two-part assignment. You're going to be doing a little review worksheet on homologous structures, which is kind of that third day of our little mini labs that you're doing during this e-learning process. And then you are going to be taking a little lab quiz for the evidence for evolution. So first and foremost, let me open up the homologous structures worksheet that you're going to need to complete and then turn in. There's a little video, I think it's like 3 or 4 minutes, that reviews what a homologous structure is in case you forget from Monday and Tuesday when we did the notes. And basically, if you look here, you're going to notice that you have a human, a bat, a porpoise, a frog, and a horse. And you can see all the different bones are colored or color coded. So you can see that these are all the same bone. That's your humerus. You have your radius and your ulna, which are both colored blue. You have your metacarpals, which is yellow, and then your phalanges, which are also yellow. Okay, so you can kind of see there the different bone structures. Homologous structures are basically a really big piece of evidence to support the theory of evolution because they are the same structure, but they have a different function in different organisms. Okay, so that's kind of just a little recap on what homologous structures are. So if you look here, you're going to identify the different function in each of those respective animals or organisms. So it's pretty short and sweet once you watch that video to kind of get a better feel for that. The second part of today's assignment, since this first part should only take you 10-15 minutes, is you're going to be completing a lab quiz. So of course, first name, last name, and then your science period. And then it's a 10-question quiz. And you can use your notes. You can refer to your labs from the past 3 days. You can refer back to your notes. But it's basically an overview of a lot of what you've been or should have been learning over the past couple days. Okay, so all multiple choice, you have some graphics or some images that you'll have to infer based on what you see. And then otherwise, it's just a review of content. Okay, so it just kind of keeps you accountable to make sure that you're doing the assignments accurately or to the best of your ability. And we can kind of gauge if we need to kind of reteach anything or if we can review and kind of move forward with our next topic. Okay, so please submit that quiz as well as the evidence for evolution homologous structures worksheet. And otherwise, I hope you have a great day. Happy Friday. Hopefully you have a great weekend. Any questions, as always, please reach out to your teachers. We would love to help.